Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a game to your Steam library with a product code or a CD key. So you can add this to your Steam library. So if the game's on Steam and you got it with a different store or something like that, you can just add the product key in here and it'll add it to Steam. So you want to go to Steam, go to Settings, scroll on down to the left, and then go to Library. And then it says Activate a product on Steam, add to library. So I will go ahead and add a game on here. Then just type in the product code or the CD key. And I think I'm going to do this with Elder Scrolls Online, where I can just link it up. So I bought it off the Steam store, and I want to go ahead and add it to the Steam store. So I don't have to add it as a non-Steam game. So you can just look at that as an option. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.